This is the table with the, we'll call it the saddle here. Table that traverses here, and it uses these rollers like this, and they are worn to the extent that these balls are thinner by, I think it was 600 of a millimeter. These rides on strips here, and strips are, as you can see, just round bolts. They are pressed in. It's hard to see, but these pins or rods or whatever you can call them, the guides here, they are worn on where they have contacted with the balls. Also worn to say something like 600s, or altogether actually between 1 and 2 tenths of a millimeter. So what I'll do is I'll grind these, or my friend with the grinder will do that, setting up a proper wheel for that. So what happens is that from new, when all these balls or the surfaces were round, they had a very narrow contact point. Of course, then in this line or plane they were straight, but when worn, both these wore, and the balls also wore. So of course, lengthwise of the table and also saddle wear was introduced, so these became smaller, and these become deformed along rods or what you can call them. So in my attempt now to restore, I have had them ground so that these surfaces were ground at 45 degrees. Could have been 60, maybe better, but anyway, so that the surface area here now has increased really, and the rolling resistance maybe also increased somewhat, but anyway they are straight now, and that's the best I think we could have done. And then we did this by grinding the wheel to this form. We could probably have ground it like this, but that's more difficult, so I can't see any big disadvantage in doing it like that. Ny skive. En time, ja.
Så vidt erfaring. Skakt der, jo. Sliter på begge sider, da.
Siste lukka. Tåka litt på gulvet.
Vi måtte bytte skiver, så det ble det sånn. Her får vi kanskje slitasje nå. Camtasia stor som utenfor. Nå blir det sånn å gå til